You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a name normally derived from Sanskrit, but it has origins in the Indonesian language. So we need to hear the Indonesian pronunciation. In Indonesia, it is pronounced how to pronounce Eka. Eka. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation is usually going to be as Eka rather than Eka. Do you pronounce it Eka yourself? Do you pronounce it any other ways? What is your pronunciation? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Eka is the most common pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.